Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into INFINIX HOT 11. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here this button, screen recorder. If you don't have this button here, need click to pencil on the top, then scroll down and find here this button in this block, then press and hold and drag to top to it this button, and click back to save additional changing in navigation bar. So when you add this button here, it's two ways to change your sound settings. First step, it's press and hold, and here we got sound settings. Click and change, for example, silent screen recording or voice screen recording. And second way, it's when you start your screen recorder, you can change here record voice while screen recording or not. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.